Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to review this Hot Wheels free pack. So yeah, I had this free pack for a while, so I wanted to open it. So this pack has a Nissan in it, a Lamborghini, and an Aston Martin. So yeah guys, you might have already seen these two cars in a video before, but yeah, but still, this pack is pretty cool. I really like it. So here's the logo here. We got the cars. We got the little Hot Wheels free pack here, Hot Wheels logo. We got on top, the side, the back. It's got all the logos and stuff for all the cars. Oh god. Oh no. And it says free, like you can't be 3 years old to, you know, play with these. Of course, because you're gonna choke on them. So yeah, this has got, here's under part, you know. So yeah, there's nothing much around with, you know, with this. But let's just open this, okay? Let's just open this already, because I just want to pop this baby open. Oh no, not again. No. No, I don't think I'm gonna be able to save this. Oh god. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, we're fine. We're fine. Forget it. We don't need it. We got one. Oh my god, why am I having such a struggle? I can't open it. You know what? Let's just try the other side. Because I cannot open it. This is just... You know what? This... Oh my god, no. Having some technical difficulties. There we go. Finally! You know, I don't need this. You know, just like... Yeah, this is... Okay, so here is the free pack and all the cars. So first car we got, it's Nissan 370Z. So this Z looks pretty good. I love that really shiny black, and also I love the pattern that goes down the car, and the body shape is pretty nice. I'm not really too big of a fan of these type of wheels, because I don't know, they're just a little bit not really my style, but honestly this Nissan looks pretty good. So look at that. It would have looked pretty cool in the white, but black is pretty good too. They also stamped on the Nissan 370Z logo and Nissan logo there. It's got 2 mufflers, and also my fingers are feeling really warm because of how I opened it. So it's got like gray and white strips down it. So that is pretty cool. Wow. Boop. Okay, next car we got is a Lamborghini Gallardo. So let's put the Gallardo on here. So if you take a look at the Gallardo's got a pretty interesting body shape, which is like a square kind of. And also it's got some gray wheels. That looks pretty good. I really love the red. You know, it's pretty nice. I already have 2 of these versions too. But the casting overall is like really good. I love the red. It just is really shiny. And also I like the back of the car. You see you got the engine. And then the front of the car just looks like a slug. A little bit. But it's cute. I like it. It's a little small boy. I like it. It's also got these like little fenders on the side. Pretty cool. The wheels are great, and yeah, it's got 4 mufflers. Pretty good. And it says Lamborghini in the back. Lamborghini. And then the last car we have is very, very beautiful. Aston Martin Vulcan. This Aston Martin Vulcan is so shiny. Just, oh god, I can't even look at it. It's too shiny. It's got this really interesting body design. The spoilers on it is pretty good. It's also very interesting. I also love that blue. The blue on it is just amazing. It just looks beautiful. I love it. But this car has just got a really awesome design. I also love the black tires. That is just a really cool detail with it. It's got the nice fenders on the side, like a little like step where you step on, where they get in the car. But this car's also got a whole entire like glassed out roof. It's also got these little pockets in here, air pockets, I think. Got the Aston Martin logo. There we go. Oh wow, just look at that. Got a nice gray underbelly. This one has a gray underbelly too. So let's just put them on here. But yeah, look at them. They're pretty cool. We got a free pack. How about this free pack? Yeah. Yeah, guys, the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below like which car is your favorite. Personally, my favorite is the Aston Martin. But yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe to my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. It's gonna be in the link in the description, but down below. So if you want to know where you want to get this, then I don't really know. I got it from Walmart. Like, you might have some chance finding this at Walmart, but yeah, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and yeah, bye.